What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Jonathan Arizari and welcome to Izzy's Easy Recipes. For today's recipe, we're gonna be doing a carb-friendly flatbread pizza. Let's get started. All right guys, I wish there was such thing as smell-o-vision. I'm sure because of the metaverse and all the shit that we got going on with VR and all this stuff, it'll eventually come. But guys, this smells amazing. You got the crisp bread underneath. Man, I'm just gonna fold it and just eat it like this. Bruh. You got the marriage of the meat. You can taste every bit of the seasonings, the sofrito, the SMV sauce that we threw in there, the drizzle of the sriracha, you get the extra kick. Obviously the cayenne pepper, and then the blend of the peppers and onions. Nice flavor profile with that. Absolutely clutch, guys. All right. Y'all definitely got to give this bad boy a try. Make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up. subscribe to the channel because we got way more videos coming out for you guys. Let's go.